Hi guys, so it's time to start thinking about uploading stuff using FTP. And I use CyberDuck. So I don't know if you can see it, but down in the bottom there's a little yellow rubber ducky. This is on the Mac. So on the Mac I use CyberDuck. On Windows I use, oops, I'm not disconnected. On Windows I use Windows SCP. S is in Sam, C is in Charlie, P is in Peter. So here's my CyberDuck, and it may not show this to you. You may see something completely different.
So your CyberDuck may look like this, and that's okay. So we're just going to go ahead and open the connection. Your server is studentweb2014.nescom.edu. Your login is your email, the beginning of your email, Gurney L. If there were two Laura Gurneys, it would be Gurney LA or something like that, whatever you use for your email. I go ahead and log in. I'll send you your password later. Can't tell you your password in the middle of the lecture.
As long as you've got open connection, you're good to go. Your open connection, you do have to be connected to the internet for this to work. I've had a couple of people that have forgotten to turn on their wireless, and that didn't work so well. The server is studentweb2014.nescom.edu. Your username is the first part of your email address here on campus. So your Husson email address, and your password I'll send to you later. What you'll see is public_HTML. That folder is where you need to put all of your folders that you want to share on the internet. That is now your root directory, not your root folder for your website, but your root directory. You'll see that I have a lot of folders inside my public HTML, and I can double click and open it, or I could tick it down, have the little triangle tick down. Each of these is its own separate folder, its own separate directory, and in my case, they're their own separate website. So I could do April 7th PHP. So I'm going to go to my browser, and I'm going to studentweb 2014 nescom.edu tilde, which is shift and the key right underneath the escape key. My login, which is Gurney L, / what was it I had? Oh, which one might be interesting to look at? Let's look at Strickland Propane Spring 2015. I copy that. I paste that in. So, studentweb2014.nescom.edu / tilde Gurney L / the name of the folder, and if I had capitalized the S, it wouldn't be the same folder. It has to be the same capitalization. Here's a beautiful page that we made in a web presentation layer last semester. See what other place I could go. Let's go to using the mailer. There's another one. Notice that when I double click slowly, tap, tap, it allows me, I could change the name of this. So when you have an FTP client, you should be able to move things around, upload things, delete things, rename things. Be careful and keep a backup copy because this server may be wiped at any time. Okay, so now I've got studentweb2014.nescom.edu / tilde Gurney L / using mail. And here's my beautiful site. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I needed to do some more HTML on there and some CSS. There's a form, and it's using the mailer new. And I can typey, 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 typey. I hit submit, and it goes to, it didn't find a thank you page, which we talked about. But it goes to another page, and it did work. So that's how you can get there if you want to share your website with somebody. Let's say you wanted to share the site. What I typed in was fine. So whatever your website's going to be, I think yours is going to be Cupcake. So let's see, I can go find my Cupcake, so I'm going to put my Cupcake site up there. Drag my Cupcake right up there. It's transferring it up. So it's transferring it up. It's now up there. I've got Cupcake site. I copy that. My Cupcake site. And it goes right to my Cupcake site and everything works. And look, even my order now works. Yay! So having that ability will make it much easier. And I will talk to you guys later.